Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the in-cabin filter in your 2011 Sentra. The filter you're going to need is going to be the CAF1849P filter. You can just pick this up at any local auto parts store. This project should be pretty short, so let's get to it. Alright, to get to the cabin filter we're going to need to go under here on the driver's side. And behind the gas pedal here, you've got this panel. You just need to pull on this side, and then you can slide that panel out of the way, so that we can get to the filter. Alright, now if you look back here, you'll see this cover right here. This is what holds in the cabin filter. On the bottom here, if you can pull this tab down, you should be able to release this cover. That slides off pretty easy. Alright, so I've got the cover of my air cabin filter taken off. Now I have not changed this filter at all, I don't think. If anything, the dealer might have changed it at some point, so I'm not expecting this to be pretty. So let's see what we got here. And when you have that cover removed, you should now be able to sort of grab onto the filter. You kind of just need to pull down on it a little bit. Just kind of pull it out. You need to sort of bend it to get it around the gas pedal here, and you're gonna have to give me, mine's extremely dirty because I haven't changed it in forever. Oh, there we go. So there's your old filter out. Yeah, so this right here is 90,000 miles of accumulated dirt and dust that I have neglected to change out. I just never bothered to change the cabin filter. I mean, I changed my engine filter and everything, but I just hadn't bothered to change this. Yeah, so don't be like me. Change your in-cabin filter more often. And here's a side-by-side. Here's the dirty, nasty filter that we're changing out. It's never been changed in 90,000 miles. Here's the new filter that we're putting in. Obviously, there's a difference here. So let's get to installing the new one. And if your filter was excessively dirty, it probably dropped a whole bunch of dirt and dust in here, so you might get a vacuum cleaner out and then just go ahead and clean all that up. Alright, I should probably vacuum this out. Let's go. Alright, once you got the old filter removed and you've cleaned up any excess dirt or whatever that's sitting in there, you can go ahead and put the new filter in. Now, on the top of the filter, it's gonna be difficult for y'all to see, but there's supposed to be a little arrow that sits right here at the very top. It's kind of faint, but that arrow points in a certain direction where the airflow is supposed to go. That should be pointed towards the rear of the car. So we'll make sure to install it in the correct orientation. And you're just gonna need to slide that into place. Now this is gonna require you to sort of squish the filter a little bit to get it around that gas pedal. But once it starts feeding in, the rest should slide in pretty easy. Alright. That's the new filter tucked in there completely. And once that filter's been put back into place, we just need to reinstall this cover. I believe this is easiest to do by installing it at the top first. Just kind of push the top in and then push the bottom so that it clips into place. And then that is the new air filter installed. And then the last thing you need to do is reinstall that cover. You'll see on this cover that there's a little hook right here that hooks into a section in the back, so you need to slide this in first and then clip the front back in. The actual hook that it's going to slide into, if y'all can see it, is right here. And then just got to clip everything back into place. And then that is your filter installed. Alright, and that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more how-to videos on my 2011 Sentra, as well as some videos on my 370Z. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.